Hello students, today I am going to teach you lesson number 3 of honeycomb, that is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. This is a comic picture story. In this, through pictures, the story is told to you. This is a story of an intelligent courtier Gopal and the Hilsa fish. In the Hilsa fish season, everyone in the market, at the neighborhood, and even in the court, everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish, and so the king was very angry about this. So how we can see in this story through pictures, which is told to you through pictures. So first, so it was the season. It was the season for Hilsa fish, and fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. The fishermen were talking only about the Hilsa fish because it was the season of Hilsa fish. Fishermen, fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers means the traders or the vendors. They were selling Hilsa fish because it was the season. And one was, you can see in the picture, one vendor was calling the customers and he was saying, come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. This way they were attracting the customer. Not only in the court but in the house also people were talking about the Hilsa fish. One lady was asking, how much did you pay for that Hilsa? Because everyone was eager to know the news of Hilsa fish. So, and the person is answering that you wouldn't believe if I told you. You can't believe it if I told it, means ki he had got it in a very cheap price. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but the Hilsa fish. In the palace also the courtiers were discussing about the Hilsa fish, and they were not discussing about the country, they were discussing about the Hilsa fish. So one courtier was saying, Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. Then one courtier was talking to the king and he was talking about the Hilsa fish. So he said to the king, have you seen the huge Hilsa fish which I have caught? And after listening this, because the king had to see the country also, so he was very much fed up, and then he scolded that person and he said, stop it. Then he said, are you a courtier or a fisherman? You are a courtier, you are not a fisherman, so you have to talk about the country, not about the fish. So he became very angry. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. When the king scolded the courtier, then he also felt guilty, and the king also felt guilty, because then he realized that it was the season of Hilsa fish, so they were talking about the Hilsa fish. Then king said, I am sorry, I lost my temper, it is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. So he said, king realized and he said, I know that because it is the season of the Hilsa fish, so everyone is talking about the Hilsa fish. So no one can stop anyone talking about the Hilsa fish, not even Gopal. Gopal was a courtier and he was known for his wisdom. He was very wise, he was very intelligent. So king gave the example of Gopal also, not even Gopal can stop anyone talking about the Hilsa fish. Gopal was also there and he listened. When he listened this, he said to the king, oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then he said to the king, Your Majesty, I can do this. I think I can do this. When the king heard this from Gopal, then he said, then let me see you. Say, if you are saying that you can stop, then take it as a challenge. Buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then the king gave this challenge to him, then you take this challenge, you go to the market, you buy a huge Hilsa fish, a big Hilsa fish, and bring it to the palace. But the condition was that no one would talk to you about the Hilsa fish, a single word no one would talk to you. And Gopal accepted the challenge. I accept the challenge, your majesty. He said, okay sir, I accept your challenge, I can do this. After few days, Gopal was making himself ready to buy the Hilsa fish. When he half shaved his beard. You can see in the picture he has half shaved his beard. When his wife saw this, then she was very much worried about this. Then she asked him, why is your face half shaven? She asked, why have you half shaven your face? Then he answered that I am dressing up to buy fish. I am making myself ready to buy the huge Hilsa fish. Again he smeared his face with ash. He covered his face with ash. राख से अपने पूरे मुंह पर राख मल लिया. When his wife saw this, then he also asked, why, what is the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Why have you covered your face with ash? Again he replied, I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Again he told me, I told you that I am making myself ready to buy the huge Hilsa fish. She was very much worried about that. After that, Gopal worn torn dirty clothes. Rags means ki torn dirty clothes. Gopal worn torn dirty clothes. This is rag. Rags means torn dirty clothes he wore. When his wife saw this, she was very much worried about this. And then she asked, why? Listen to me, please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. So you please don't go out in this torn and old clothes. What are you up to? What happened with you? Why you are doing like this? Then he replied, how many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. So how much time I have to say to you that I am going to buy the huge Hilsa fish? She was very much worried about her husband, and she thought it is happened to him. He has gone mad. She thought that his husband has gone mad, but she didn't say anything. She was worried about that. Then Gopal went to the market and he bought a huge Hilsa fish and he began to go to the palace. But in the market and on the way, no one has seen him. Seen the Hilsa fish in his hand, but everyone was talking about his appearance. Because, can you tell me why? Because at that time he was very interesting topic than the Hilsa fish. So no one talked to him about the Hilsa fish, and he reached the they were talking about his appearance. One child was saying to his mother, look mother, at that man, isn't he comical? So look, this man is looking very comical. And other person were also talking about Gopal, but no one talked about the Hilsa fish. One man was saying he must be a madman. One said that he is a madman. But other is saying, I think he is a mystic. But other said, no, I think he is doing some secret thing. Mystic means he is doing some secret things. Then Gopal reached to the court. On the way, no one has talked to him about Hilsa fish. And in the court also, the gatekeeper did not recognize him. They stopped him. And then one gatekeeper asked him, what do you want? Then Gopal replied, I want to see the king, because he has to show this to the king. So he wanted to meet the king. Again gatekeeper said to him, you can't see the king, get away with you. Then he did not allow him to enter into the court, into the palace, and he sent him out. But Gopal began to dance and sing loudly, because anyway he had to meet the king. So he began to dance and sing loudly. They were talking out of the palace this way, but inside the palace the king was listening all this conversation. One man was saying, the man is crazy. The other was saying, throw him out. And Gopal was repeating, I want to see the king, I want to see the king, let me in. When the king heard this all, then he ordered his man to bring that man to me at once, to bring him to the king at once. Then the man replied, yes, majesty, and then he went out to bring Gopal. Gopal was brought before the king. Then they brought Gopal before the king in the palace. When the courtiers saw him, some recognized him, and then they said, it is Gopal. The other was saying, but other courtiers were saying, the man has lost his mind. Someone saying that he has lost his mind. But who knew Gopal very well, they said, I think it is one of his crazy jokes. So I don't think that he has become mad. He is doing some crazy jokes. When king saw this, then he said to Gopal, all right Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? So why have you dressed up in this funny looks? Why your look is so funny? Why have you dressed up yourself like this? So you come out. Then Gopal said to the king, Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then he said, Your Majesty, I think you have forgotten your challenge, what you have given to me. Then king began to try to remember, forgotten something. Then Gopal made him realize and made him remember that strangely, he said, strangely no one seemed to me interested in Hilsa fish today. Then he said, Your Majesty, I bought this Hilsa fish and I bring it to the court, but not in the market, not in the court. No one has talked to me about this Hilsa fish. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about the Hilsa fish. No one has spoken about the Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about my appearance. Then only then did the king remember the challenge and which he had thrown to Gopal. Then he remembered his challenge which he had given to Gopal. Then he again became happy and he said to Gopal, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. Once again you have made impossible possible. So you are really intelligent. And he became very happy and he became very happy on Gopal's cleverness and he praised him very much. And this way this story is finished. So question answer you will get through PDF. If any problem is there, you can ask to me on my phone number. So the word meanings, some word meanings which are difficult, I will give you the word meanings and I will give you the question answer also through PDF. The rest is okay. Have a nice day.